Sit down with your menu. Sit down. Come and sit down. Okay, I will get your food for you. Okay, sit down, ma'am. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, ma'am. I'll take care of that. Look at my little. Even my badge is spinning around. I've never had a customer like this. Okay, come and sit down, ma'am. Sit down and I will get you a menu. Sit down, ma'am. Sit down. Have a seat, ma'am. I will get you some eat, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I'm gonna bring this. What kind of customer is this? I'm gonna get you something to eat, ma'am. Can you come and sit down? Here's your menu, ma'am. You wanna look over the menu? Okay, yes, I'm gonna get you something, ma'am. Just sit right here, and I'll get. What would you like? Pizza? Okay, she's very hungry. I think she's pregnant. But okay, all right, and I'll get him something to eat too. I'll bring his food. Okay, I'll bring him some food. Okay, all right, I'm gonna bring him some spaghetti. This is here. You are, sir. All right, your spaghetti with your vegan meatballs. All right, ma'am, your pizza, is it good? Is your cheese? Cause shake your cheese like that. See, let me show you. Shake your cheese like that, okay? All right, is your food good, ma'am? Is everything good? You like your food? Is it wonderful? Drinking his drink too. Is your pizza good? Yummy. Yummy pizza. Poor husband. Yes. Yes, you can give him some. Why don't you go and feed your husband some? See your husband? Or you? Oh, I guess just a boyfriend. All right. Breadstick? Go. Why don't you feed him some, Newbie? Why don't you give him some? Okay. Okay, go and help him. Okay. You're not eating your spaghetti? Okay. Okay. Yes, eat. See, get bell pepper. See, put it on pizza like this. Put it on the pizza. Okay, you have olives. Those are olives. Here, put them on the pizza, Newbie. Put them on the pizza. Put your olives on the pizza. Newbie. Bring them over here. No, Newbie. Bring them on. Put them on your pizza, baby. Newbie. Put them on the pizza. Right here, Newbie. Bring them back. Here. No, put them on the pizza. No, go get the black. Go get your toppings and put them on the pizza. Come on. Come on. Let mommy show you. Come on. Here. You ready? Let me show you. See, you get them and put them on the pizza like this. Put them on the pizza. Put them on here. Just like that. Very good. Put them on the pizza. See? That's how you make it in the oven. See? So you take it. You ready? Now put it in there. You gotta cook it. That's where you cook it. Okay? This is a brick oven. And it cooks the pizza. Okay? So we're gonna cook the pizza. Alright, hold on. We gotta cook the pizza. We gotta take it off. Yes, we have to take it off first. Shake it. Okay, your pizza's cooking. Okay. It's hot. It's hot. You have to take it out with this. It's hot. See, you have to do it like this. See, look. Watch mine. See? Bring it out. See? Alright, now you could. Oh, be careful. Oh, no! You dropped the pizza! Good job, Nubian. Very good. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys really enjoyed everything. So the whole project only cost us $20 between the Dollar Tree and Walmart. We were able to get this craft done. So, oh yeah, Michael. So it was amazing. So yeah, so stop, got a free box, wrapped it with some packaging paper, and just had a really good time. Just took a sponge. Actually, with this, I've got to tell you guys about that. I took a sponge from the Dollar Tree and just sponged some various you know, shades of brick on it. So that pretty much was it. So just thank you guys so much for watching. You guys know we love you so much. XO. You don't tell the guys bye-bye? Because you're about to bye-bye. You see she has my clicker, so it's been a rowdy morning, guys. So I didn't get a chance to do all the fancy outro that I wanted to do with Nubian because she was going nuts. I got up, I know it's a little sidebar, but I got up at like 6 o'clock this morning to set all this stuff up, and then she woke up and I came in the kitchen to get her something to eat, and oh my God, I was holding her and she saw this and she went ballistic, guys. So actually, normally I try to keep her in the room while I'm trying to get this stuff straight, but today it didn't work. So as you guys can see, she was a little bit more wound up because she actually saw it before taping, and that's not a good thing for us. So anyways, guys, we love you so much. Just want to, you know, keep it real, you guys, and let you guys know that if you are a YouTuber, you are a mom, you know, hey, we're out here trying to do our thing. It's not always easy, but we make it work. And yeah, so thank you guys so much again for watching, and have a great day. Bye. Nubian, gonna say bye-bye? Come over here. They can't see you. Come out here and say bye-bye to the D.I.Y.erss. Bye-bye. Nubian says bye.